In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two controllers to Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use multiple controllers on the same Nintendo Switch. You first have to prepare your controllers, so you can either use a pair of Joy-Cons together as one controller, or you can split them apart, so you use the left Joy-Con as player 1's controller and the right Joy-Con as player 2's. Or of course you can have two individual controllers, like these Pro controllers that I'm using as an example. So choose whichever option you prefer. All of this can be set up and done through the controller and sensor settings. So from the home screen of your Switch, go into this icon here to access the controller settings. So you will see controllers, and when you go inside, you can see all of the controllers that are currently connected. You can find the options to change the grip and the order of the controllers, and most importantly, find controllers and pair new controllers. So go into pairing new controllers first to pair a new controller to this Nintendo Switch, and when you choose this option, you will be able to follow the instructions on screen. Usually, it is going to be as simple as pressing a specific combination of buttons on the Joy-Cons or the controllers, or pressing any sort of synchronized button that you might see on the back of your controller. So depending on the manufacturer, there will be a button at the back of your Nintendo Switch controller, and you simply have to press it for a few seconds. As long as you choose the option to pair a new controller or even change grip and order, and you press those buttons, you will be able to use them here. Whenever you go inside of any game, if there is split screen support or support for multiple controllers, you will see this screen, and all that the secondary player has to do is to press the buttons on the respective controllers. You can also use the buttons over here if you are encountering trouble, or if it isn't searching for nearby controllers, and you will see them listed here after you are done with this process. They should appear automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two controllers to Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.